Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide is about removing the new ransomware type infection that is called Bbnm. Bbnm is a ransomware, the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It gets into computers that are poorly protected by the current security software. After the ransomware Bbnm penetrates into the system, it starts damaging the files that the customers store on their computers. So, before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening any files, including pictures, music, video files, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But this is what happens after this DJVU ransomware enters the computers. It starts immediately damaging the files that are stored on the hard drives connected to these computers. So people might soon restart their computer or turn on the computer someday and realize that something really bad has happened with these files. Of course, it's a tragedy for many people to realize that they cannot use their data anymore. For instance, you might have some documents related to your work or studies, or you could have some important, valuable pictures from your family that you cherish very much. But this ransomware Bbnm doesn't care about what you feel. It only cares about encrypting your files and then demanding from the victims to pay the ransom for file recovery. So pretty soon you will see what happens with all these files that got infected by Bbnm ransomware. As I said before, Bbnm is a special extension that is added to the files after they get encrypted. So after the encryption process is successful, it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware tells its victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. By the way, the amount of the ransom is 980 American dollars. Paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. And also, removing this extension Bbnm manually also does not fix the issue and does not restore the files. We recommend you to first of all carefully check the task manager of your computer. You might find some suspicious processes like this one with long random names running in the background. So it's a good idea that you right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. Considering removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program. For that purpose, the program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so in the trial mode only the quick scan option is available. You will need to click on Start Scan button. The program will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is surely crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the application starts researching and investigating your computer. By the way, Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well when it comes to detecting all sorts of computer threats, including adware, browser hijackers, malicious pop-ups in the form of push notifications, malware, ransomware, and other threats. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against the ransomware attacks. But remember that this feature is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is fully completed. The scanning itself might take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is, and also depending on how many hard drives are actually connected to your computer. Combo Cleaner, of course, does not decrypt the files, but it helps you to remove these particular ransomware fully from your computer. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were found during the scan. You'll be able to know the exact locations of these threats. Some of the threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to delete all these threats automatically. So the scanning is about to be completed. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and as I said, we recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This is the best way to keep your data always safe and secure.